This is the Eurocopter X3, a hybrid helicopter that hit 293 miles per hour, faster than some jets. Ready to uncover the tech behind this record-smashing beast? Let's fly. Built by Airbus in 2010, the X³ blends a Dauphin heli with airplane speed. Dual Rolls-Royce engines pump 3,200 horsepower, driving a 5-blade rotor and wing-mounted props. In 2013, it clocked 255 knots. That's 293 miles per hour, crushing the Sikorsky X2's record. Its secret? A hybrid gearbox, fly-by-wire controls, and drag-cutting composites. Retired in 2014, the X³ inspired faster rescue and offshore heelys. Is this the future of flight? From 293-mile-per-hour glory to game-changing tech, the X³ is a legend. Think it's the ultimate heli? Comment below, smash that like, and subscribe for more aviation thrills.